Well, I'm over here on this side now looking at it, and they got a few cupboards that I can see. Well, this has just got to be temporary, because ain't no way a good old rain gonna come, and it will eventually rain, and it would wash that away. Let me zoom in on it and see what you can see out of it. Boy, them cupboards are really small. I hear something chirping, but I don't know what it is. Sounds like birds talking to each other. As you can see, they're over there. So where is the water going around at? I guess the water's going to eventually, if that dams up all the way across, the water will have to go around that way. Ain't that something? They're trying to make them a road across there. It will wash every bit of that away if we get a big rain. But I did look at the 10-day forecast, and there's no rain scheduled. Eventually, they will cut this tree down. It just blocks all the view here. Eventually they will. While I'm walking, I'm just gonna walk over here and look at something. You can see the edge of the rock right there. That bird is up in that tree somewhere. Let me walk around here and see what they got going on. Yeah, look at it. People act like they can't even drive. Oh, you can see they bringing the deck all the way out this way. That's gonna look good. They've actually cut these windows in since the last time I was here. See them? Them two. And then you got 3 right there. Now he's got a grading blade on that thing. You see the little stick-up GPS is on there? That's telling him how to cut. So there's that pad that they got there. Now, would you look at that school bus just flying across that bridge? Just flying. And I do mean flying. So, and they got a manhole right there, a water cutoff, and they got the deal where the water's going to come down through here. They've got it sloped. See the slope in the edge of it? That'll look good when they get it done. But that's what he's doing. He's reading GPS signals coming off of that blade, and he's cutting it. Well, they've got the front of it looking really good. and that sheeting is on. That is double, triple insulated roof right there. They did a real good job on it. Alright, I'll just show you. There's the fire hydrant. And that's the house that they're going to be doing the pedal boards out of. Somebody told me that you can't swim in this water. Well, if that's true, I'd like to know, because eventually, there comes another school bus just flying down through here. That's our taxpayer dollars at work right there, boys. There's a group of them going in the building right there, looking at things. Now he's slowing down, but there's a slew of them coming. That's the siding. I'm gonna get a shot of it real quick while I can. See it? Alright. There's another one coming. Look at the kids on this school. That school bus had plenty of kids on it. But yeah, if anybody knows, leave it in the comment if you can swim in this water. I've seen people swimming in it, but come to think about it, I ain't seen many. Alright. They framed this in, and they're going to put that green board on the roundabout of it. There's a piece of the old building. I can't hardly see it, but because of that damn sunlight, but I'm going to zoom in and see if you can see it. See right up in there? Ah, hell. Alright, I'm going to get out of here before I get run over by these people. They're flying. I wonder why there's so much traffic today. Now school's getting out. Alright, one more look at them putting the road across there. Alright, people. That's something you won't probably ever see again, is damming up this river here.